In this video, I'm going to go over how to build a truth table for the statement P or not P. So let's first look at what the main connective is here. So it's an OR, and there's only one variable. The variable is P. So let's start setting up the truth table. It's only one way that P could happen. P could be either true or false. So let's write that out. P can be either true or false. Now we have this not P in here as well, so we should make sure we put that as a column here as well. Not P. Now remember that not P is just the opposite value of P. So if P is true, not P is false. And if P is false, not P is true. Now we're building up slowly to this statement here, which is an OR statement. So let's put the whole statement. I'll just copy and paste it for simplicity. So like this. This is going to be the table. We have to just fill it in now. So maybe let's put a border on it. Make sure it's really clear. These are our variables. This is what we're going for. Now, the OR statement is true if one of the two pieces is true. In this case, one of them is true, which is P, which means this statement is true. And in this case, P is false, but not P is true. Since one of them is true, this is true. This is the full truth table of this statement. Now, what is this actually saying, you might wonder? So let's highlight this, maybe in a nice color, maybe like a light green or something. So what is this saying? This is saying no matter what happens, the statement P or not P is always true. Now, what does that actually mean? Take a sentence like, I like popcorn as being P. So I like popcorn. That means the statement not P is I don't like popcorn. Okay, so it's true, P being I like popcorn or I don't like popcorn. Of course that's true. That's going to be true no matter what, because those two things are opposites, right? Everything is either I like popcorn or I don't like popcorn. Just a simple example to show the point. But the idea is that you build the truth table with the variable, and you slowly build up to the full statement. And each column along the way is just filling in these cells. Hopefully that helps. If it does, keep watching. I'm going to do another example that's kind of medium difficulty. This one's kind of easy. And we're going to do a couple more so that the concept is clear. Thanks.